Well, I figured I'd do a quick video before I trim this tree of Hygro. I grabbed the one moss ball that was sort of barren from the 80-gallon, wrapped it in some Christmas moss. Hopefully that takes out pretty well. Grabbed and wrapped the other moss ball down, which hopefully will compress that hair algae that was in there and kill that off. And also help the Singapore moss that's on that ball get more compact. But as you can see here, my Hygro, I've let it go just a little bit. That's why it's got really bad hair algae on it. But it actually comes up out of the water. And now that I took the canopy off, it's up on the light a couple inches, about 4 inches out of the water. So I'm going to trim it off. Right about there. I'll trim off these leaves. I got the hair algae on it. Come down here, I'll trim these leaves. And I'll trim it probably right here. Pretty much turn the stem plant into a rhizome. And I'll let these shoots take off. And then I'll plant the top portion back in. So I'll do that real quick and show you the result. Alright, so trim that off there. And this is how much I'm keeping out of the top. As you can see, it was loving the hell out of the immersed growth right directly under the LED. It's actually burned a couple leaves over there. So it should take root and take off pretty well. I'm just going to plant it right down and show you where those two terra shrimp right in the back there. That's where it's getting planted. And that's that replanted. Curious, that's just rubber band. It's looped around the string that holds the weight underneath. Excuse me, weight underneath the substrate there that holds that from floating away. Once moss takes hold, I'll clip that rubber band, pull it out. Mr. Hunting to you, I know you've been asking for an update. That is the progress of the dwarf baby tears wall. It's got a little hair algae and stuff growing on it right now from the neglect this tank had for a while. So I just got to pull it out, and I'm going to give it a like 5-second bleach dip to take care of that without harming the baby tears. Okay. There's a little peek of the 30. I haven't given it an update lately. Everything's coming back pretty well. The Christmas moss here, I went and gave this whole piece of driftwood a bleach dip to get rid of all the blackbeard algae that was growing on it. The Christmas moss took it sort of hard, but it's coming back. As you can see, there's green on the tips there. It's coming back. So yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think.